Hey, welcome back to a quick little episode of The Silly Kitchen. So this is English Sylvia. This is an additional part to the roasted chicken that I did for 5 chicks and a farmer. And I wanted to show you in a separate episode just how quick and easy it is to get a delicious sauce, gravy, whatever you want to call it, from your roasting pan after you're done with your chicken. Do not waste all that goodness in the bottom of the pan, okay? Because it's so easy. All you're gonna do is take your roasting pan that you've already got all of this beautiful, delicious flavor on the bottom of, and put it on your stove top. Start at low heat and add a little bit of water, scraping the bottom of the pan so that you can get any of the kind of crustier pieces coming up from the pan. That's all flavor under there, guys. It's all flavor. Once you've got it nice and warm, you see a little bit of steam coming up, you're gonna start now adding a little bit of flour at a time. You can also add a little bit of salt. If you have any of those additional powders that you can buy, like the Bisto gravies, you can add a little bit of that as well for flavor, but guys, you have a lot of flavor in this pan. So water, a little extra seasoning, and some flour to thicken it up. Use a whisk because that's going to give you the best result, and just keep stirring until you get the consistency that you want. Now, I don't like my poultry gravy too thick, so I'm super happy with the consistency. Very, very carefully hold your roasting pan with an oven mitt or a cloth and pour it into your gravy bowl. If you don't have a gravy dish, just pour it into a cup. And that's it. You used all those beautiful flavors. Ooh, that's still warm. Used all those beautiful flavors to make a poultry gravy. A little bit of time and patience, and now you can just drink it. I wouldn't recommend it because it's very warm right now, or in general, but pour it over your beautiful roasted chicken. Use it not sparingly, whatever the opposite of not sparingly is, because it's so delicious and lots of flavor. I mean, if you've got potatoes on your plate with your chicken, hello, gravy up those potatoes too. Thank you for watching another episode of The Silly Kitchen. Make your own gravy at home, people. It's delicious, and use every piece of that beautiful chicken that you got. Have an awesome day. Please subscribe and support the channel if you want to. And I'll see you again.